Hey everyone, I'm Derek with B&H, and I'm here with Fujifilm's newest compact marvel, the X-S10 mirrorless camera. With big performance packed into an ergonomically sound, lightweight body, this is a camera that will impress photographers of all levels, no matter which camera system they're used to. This camera is all about the feel, and it's apparent from the second you pick it up. With a deep, sturdy magnesium alloy hand grip and light portable frame supported by magnesium alloy front and top plates, the X-S10 is the kind of camera that makes creating anywhere an absolute pleasure. However, the beautiful design of this camera goes way beyond the size and the grip. The intuitive controls include dedicated video record and ISO buttons that can also be customized to control various features, and an updated auto scene position mode that automatically adjusts shooting settings to suit a given scene, allowing you to produce stunning images without needing to make fine adjustments to the image settings. Fujifilm has also included a high-performance Super Eye flash, and the X-S10 will run on the familiar NPW126S batteries that many X-series photographers are used to. And with the 180-degree vari-angle LCD screen, it is the perfect camera for the aspiring filmmaker, vlogger, or anyone who just needs extra leverage for those photos at tough angles. I know what you're thinking. With such a compact camera, how much performance can you possibly fit in here? And at just 1.21 pounds, I wouldn't fault you for wondering. That's what's so impressive about this camera. Despite its small size, Fujifilm has been able to produce an in-body image stabilization mechanism that is approximately 30% smaller in volume and weight than the X-T4s, while delivering up to 6 stops of 5-axis image stabilization. To add another level of stability, the X-S10 is also the first mid-range X-series camera to use a motion sensor retention mechanism, which is a mechanical shock absorber that effectively guards against slight vibrations that may come from the shutter unit. With so many great features packed into this camera, it's only right that it has the autofocus system and sensor to match. The 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor's 2.16 million phase detection pixels and X-Processor 4's computing power are behind an autofocus system that is as fast as it is accurate. Able to provide precision autofocus at speeds of up to 0.02 seconds and in light levels as low as a -6 exposure value, there really isn't a situation in which you can't create great images. And with the 20 frames per second uncropped continuous shooting, those great images won't be outrunning you either. Okay, I promised myself I wouldn't say color science, but with over 85 years of Fujifilm's dedication to stunning analog film being poured into their digital technology, it's hard to talk about a new camera and not mention the amazing colors they produce. For many lovers of Fujifilm cameras, the colors, and more specifically the film simulations, are the pièce de résistance. The X-S10 features 18 exclusive modes, including Fujifilm's most recent addition, Eterna Bleach Bypass, for the creator who wants to flex the full range of aesthetics. Alas, the great equalizer, video. It seems that with every new camera we get our hands on these days, we creatives want to know how capable they are when it comes to capturing high-quality video. Well, the X-S10 is a camera that excels in both stills and video, with the ability to record in cinema quality DCI 4K at 30p and super slow motion in full HD at 240p, paired with 5-axis IBIS and a 4-axis digital image stabilization feature, you have a camera that is engineered to produce beautifully smooth video footage in a variety of situations. Now, when you add 422 10-bit color via HDMI, it provides for an even more professional feel to the filmmaking experience. The new Fujifilm X-S10 is the perfect marriage between powerful performance and compact, comfortable portability. For those unfamiliar with Fujifilm's X series of cameras, it's a simple, intuitive introduction to the system. And for those existing Fujifilm photographers, it's a fully capable complement to your current setup, whether you have an X-T4 and need another body, or you're looking to upgrade from one of Fujifilm's other X-line models. The bottom line, whether you're just getting into photography, thinking about vlogging, or you just want big performance from a small camera that won't break the bank, the Fujifilm X-S10 is for you. I'm Derek with B&H. Catch y'all next time.